Hello and welcome to Somika's Business Plan Template. A business plan is a written document to give a general overview of a company, and with this tool you will save a huge amount of time and energy with predefined sections and detailed guiding. Let's start to see more about our template. In addition to a navigation menu, this template includes 6 main sections, which are the cover, the introduction, the marketing, the organization, the financials, and lastly the summary sections. On the navigation menu, you can navigate through the template with the buttons. You can also track your progress with checkboxes. Let's start with the cover of your business plan. Just input your contact info, company name, writers of the plan, and the date. You can also change the logo. Just right-click on the dummy logo and select Change Picture, and select your file from your computer. This is a print-ready cover sheet. Under the Introduction section, the company description and the products and services will give general info about your business. Under the company description, you can tell the company mission, core values, legal structure, etc. On the products and services sheet, you can explain the main properties of your products. The marketing section consists of 6 different marketing tools. The industry analysis. This section gives a general outlook of the business industry, such as total size, targeted market share, market saturation, main location, etc. On the target market analysis, you can define the target market of your business with geographic, demographic, psychographic, and lastly behavioral levels. On the competitive analysis section, you can evaluate your position against your competitors. First, define the factors, and then assign the importance level, and then give scores to your company and your competitors. The overall weighted scores will be calculated automatically. The Porter's 5 Forces Analysis. This tool lets you explain the competitive environment with power of buyers, power of suppliers, threat of new entrants, threat of substitutes, and competitive rivalry. Just take your notes to understand your competition challenges. SWOT analysis. This very common tool helps you to evaluate a business from strengths, weakness, and also opportunities and threats. You will find a detailed yellow note about what to drive to each section. And the last section of the marketing is the distribution. In this part, you can give the main idea about the distribution channels of your business. Just put a take to the particular channel if you use it, and then write down your notes. The organization section displays the human resources and management prospects of your company. The first part is for the key managers of your business with name, position, and also expertise area. And the second part is to define the human resources structure of your company. Just give the department, estimated personnel number, and average yearly salary, and the template calculates total estimated cost for the human resources. The financial sections consist of sale forecasts and 3 main financial statements, which are income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, and finally, the financial summary. Sales forecasts. This section gives a prospect of your sales projections for each target market for 5-year period. You can change the years, then you can give new target markets. The total sales and year-over-year sales growth will be calculated automatically. Financial statements provide ready-to-use income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement for 5-year financial projections. The white areas are for you to input data, while the gray areas are calculations. On the financial statements, you may change the years on the top, but we highly recommend you to use the same 5-year period for the sales forecast and financial statements in order to get accurate financial summary results. Let's look at the last part of your financial sections, which is financial summary. This dashboard is produced from the previous sales forecast and financial statement sheets. The template displays a clear financial outlook for the 5-year projections of your business with key ratios and also professional-looking charts such as sales projections, expected net profit and loss, total assets predictions, and lastly, cash flow predictions. Finally, the summary section gives a general idea of your business, consisting of 3 main parts: business model canvas, business timeline, and lastly, executive summary. The business model canvas. This tool helps you to summarize the key drivers of the business in 9 main blocks with drag and drop post-it notes. You may easily move these notes and change the size, colors, or fonts. Business timeline. This list shows the expected milestones of the business with target dates. This will give a smooth roadmap of the company. And lastly, executive summary. As one of the most important sections of a business plan, the executive summary gives you a chance to explain your business to the targeted audience in your own words. This one-page brief of the company underlines the main description, goals, and prospects of your business. When you're done with your business plan, you can take a printout of the whole template by selecting the Print Entire Workbook under the Print settings. As a final note, our template offers you a ready-to-use structure for a comprehensive business plan. It's totally print-ready and fully customizable. You can easily insert or remove rows or change the design of the template. Moreover, most of the sections has a general note area for the user to add any kind of additional notes. Please remember that the yellow notes will give you a great know-how to prepare your own business plan. That's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.